Hey guys, let's watch this. The gate to the cage is not even locked, and let's see. Listen, come on out. Come. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh my god. You just opened it, even though it wasn't locked. So I close it back in, and then I hold it and wait until it gets up. Right now he's laying down. Listen, no. Come on. Come on now. Come on. I'm breaking it. So right now he's just licking the middle of the gate. Oh, okay. Come on. Come on. Cookie? 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 I'll get a cookie. Yeah, guys. I'm getting one. And two. Guys, this is no. You go back in. Go in. No. You stay in. I'll close it. And guys, this is actually not a real bacon. It's fake. It's just for dogs. So he loves playing this game. Well, I let him out of the cage, and I just take little bites, like roll them off, and just throw them around. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with his crate. Oops, I dropped one. Oops, I dropped another one. So I dropped them all over. Now wait for this part. Once he gets all done, listen, there's one more. There's one more behind you. Behind you. Oh, Look for all the others. Oh. And there's one right here that he found. Okay. So, no, you're going to sit. You know this. Sit. You know this. You sit. No, you sit. So I'm just dropping it down. Zip. Wait, I'm going to drop one right on you, Dad. Oh my God, I missed it. Oh, listen, there's one right there. One right there. Right, so now we give him a cookie. Let's see if he does it. Okay. Doggy, come on, do it. Do it. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. I won't open all the way. There's something wrong with the gate. There's something wrong with the gate. There's something wrong with the gate. Just kidding. But what's going on? Look at that face. Look at that face. Listen. He's like, let me out. No. Let me out now. Oh, sorry. I just opened the gate. Well, I'm now walking it. No, actually. One thing shopping. Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye. You can tell my hair's short. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.